Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is the 19th of April 2025 and the top news for crypto is as follows. Today we will start with our ETFs and go to Canary Capital, which has requested the SEC for a Tron ETF that will include staking. So now we can say that anything can become an ETF. From Canary Capital, we go to another big company, Galaxy Digital, which seems to be moving $100 million to Ethereum all within the last week. We can say that this money has moved to big exchanges like Binance, and many people assume that this money has gone there to be sold, so this is not very positive for the future price of Ethereum, if what I say is true. From our companies, we will gradually move to our exchanges. We'll go to OKX, where we simply learned that it is entering the US market again. It paid a regulation fine of $505 million and is making a comeback. The most interesting news, however, comes from Coinbase, specifically Coinbase Prime, which will stop supporting 49 altcoins. As the official announcement says, these currencies do not meet Coinbase's standards, and for this reason, at the end of the month, they will be delisted. Below, you can see the list of currencies that will be delisted from Coinbase. I'll have a link in the description below, or you can freeze the video to see if you're interested in any of them. Needless to say, everyone has seen negative numbers following this news. And from our exchanges, we move to our currencies. Today we'll start with Aptos, for which we've learned that there is a community proposal to reduce staking by 50%. The proposal states that the staking currently offered by Aptos is 7% and aims to lower it to 3.79% over a period of 3 months in order to strengthen capital profitability. As you understand, since this is just a proposal, it may not pass. But of course it also may, and accordingly, Aptos will be shaped. From Aptos, we go to another currency that seems to have conquered the market in its field. We're talking about Hyperliquid, which has managed to capture 70% of the market share. The protocol processed $175 billion in March alone. By April, it has already seen an exchange volume of $83 billion. Based on the statistics we have, it seems to have caught 70% of the market share. I say this based on a chart from the block, which compares various protocols. Obviously, it doesn't show everything, but according to Hyperliquid's estimates, it holds 71% of the market. And if we go to DeFi Llama, we'll see it at the top of the list. Hyperliquid has registered a 24-hour exchange volume of $2.1 billion. The second Apex protocol has recorded $386 million. So all these strong on-chain statistics, as you can see, are reflected in the price of Hyperliquid, which is mainly in the green. And now it's time to close with a free NFT from Solana. Let's say that Solana has its own Game Pass to strengthen video games on its chain. This free NFT will provide early access to games. Let's say that this whole event will last 4 weeks, and there are 30 games on Solana's chain that are cooperating in Season 0, and there will be multiple seasons. What will happen is that you can go to Magic Eden and get this free NFT, which is the Season 0 Game Pass. And as soon as you get it, you can go to this website where you will connect your wallet, which will have this NFT in it. And if you do the missions they tell you, you will get a ticket and XP. And whoever performs better can win up to $10,000 in Solana, NFTs, and other digital assets. So this is a very good move from Solana to further strengthen video games on its chain. Moving on, we will also look at the crypto market, which stands at $84,000, with the price for another day remaining exactly the same. And the only thing that has changed in the markets is that the European Central Bank has reduced interest rates by 0.25%. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, is the 19th of April 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.